So hello guys, today in this video we will start ReactJS tutorials, and in our first video we will do introduction of ReactJS. And you can see here it's a component codes that you can write the codes in components, just like this is the video component. And if we will create a video list, we can add multiple video components, and here are 3 video components, and we can add the video list component further in the searchable videos list. Here the search input component and video list, so it is a component library, and I will not say more. And this is the suspense etc, we will learn about it later. We can call database etc. So let's close the formalities and let's see how to install React. So for that, let's create a repository. And while learning React, we will also learn some useful tools like Git and GitHub, and that is necessary for a developer. And I will create in a organization account and name it as ReactJS tutorials and make it public and create the repo. After, you can use these commands also, but let me just open VS Code. For creating the React app, we can use the template npx create React app, and then the app name we want to spread in current folder, so we added dot here. But we will learn that how to create the app using Vite. This is a faster way to deal with React and other JavaScript libraries. You can see here, and it will take so much time. And this is Stack Glitch online ID. You can also use this, or there are others just like Code Sandbox, Replit etc. Let's close this, and here is our React app. We can use npm start, and this is our React app, and this is the demo page. And I already had created a video about that, how to deploy your React app for free on GitHub pages, and on Cloudflare for free and 100% unlimited bandwidth etc. So for that, let's forget about that and use our git commands and push the codes to GitHub so that our code version will be maintained. Git init git add remote origin this git remote add origin this and these two commands. Loads, and here is your app. Now we will use Vite for creating the app and see how fast it is. And see, this is created, and we will run npm install I and then npm run dev like Next.js, and this provides a very good experience for developers. And the Vite is developed by very popular developers. Let's see, Vite developer. React is developed by Meta. Ivan Vue.js created Vue.js, and here is our thing, and you get a perfect counter here. And in the next video we will see that how to use the components and other things, and the video order may be different, so as per demand I will upload the video, but you can check the video order correctly in this playlist. So check out the playlist and see you later.